Hi guys, this is Dira Saha. Welcome back to my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. Today my video is based on DIY twigs craft. This is a twig, or you can say branches of the tree. It should be dry. Okay. For this craft you need twigs. This one. You need one scissor. You need one fork. You need some acrylic paint. And you need some wool. So let's start it. First of all, you have to color these twigs. I am taking black color. Just color all over black color. Let it dry, okay? Till it dry, take a fork, take wool. I'm using bicolor wool, blue and white. If you wish, you can use single color also. Wrap it around the fork like this. After wrapping, you just take it out. Carefully take it out. Take some extra wool. Put it inside this one. Then tie a knot tightly. Then take scissor and cut it off. Now cut it in equal size. Like this. You have to leave some portion also behind, okay? like this. Now you will go for twig. Now we will decorate this twig. For decoration, we will leave this much portion because this will be put inside the basin pot or vase. We will start from here, okay? This process. I am taking red color, light. Like this you have to apply. Here I am decorating with pompom. For these, you have to leave some long thread here, okay, to tie here. Now take a pompom and tie it in the twig. Here I am using here. Tie it here like this. You can use hot glue gun also, but for permanently, if you want to tie it properly, you use this method. It will be for lifetime. Like this. After finishing this, we will cut this portion with scissor, okay? Like this, I have make another color also, bi-color, orange and white. If you have whatever color you have, you can use that color and make a pompom. You can use single color also, bi-color also. Now your flower twigs decoration will look like this. do not use many pom-pom, okay, because we have already decorated this twig. So little bit far distance pom-pom we will have to keep it.